Hello students, today we are going to solve one of the question that is the based on the relation between roots and coefficients. Okay, the relation between 0 and coefficient. Okay, so here you can see one of the question in the whiteboard. If fx equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so and अल्फा एंड बीटा बी जीरोस ऑफ एफ एक्स देन फाइन। तो आपको यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं करना है कि आपको इसको मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट करना है, अल्फा और बीटा निकाल लेना है और इसको सॉल्व करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है। आपको रिलेशन से निकालना है, जो रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट, देन यू विल हैव टू यूज दैट थिंग्स। ओके, नॉट सिंपली कि आप इसको तोड़ोगे फिर इसका दो रूट्स निकाल लोगे, इसका जीरो निकाल लोगे और इसमें पुट कर दोगे, ये से इस तरह नहीं निकालना। आपको सारे को जो है कैसे निकालना, आपको उसको रिलेशन बिटवीन रूट्स एंड कोएफिशिएंट, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन होता है स्टूडेंट ये सारा। देन फर्स्ट you will have to find alpha minus beta, next you will have to find alpha square plus beta square, third alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, fourth alpha beta square plus alpha square beta, and fifth 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, sixth 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta, and seventh 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta, and 8 alpha cube plus beta cube, and 9 alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, 10 alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha, and 11 alpha by beta plus beta by alpha plus 2 twice the 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta, and 12 alpha to the power 4 plus into beta cube plus alpha cube plus beta 4, and 13 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 alpha beta, and 14 alpha square beta square plus beta square plus alpha square. Okay, so we will do one question one by one. Okay, so first do question 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Yes, this is the question. We will do one of the questions. So here is let alpha and beta be zeros of fx. Okay, so we can write here what alpha plus beta equals, sorry, here is the standard form. We can choose here ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So ax here is x square means 1x square minus 2x minus 8, that is 0. So a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is minus 8. Okay, so now we know that the sum of zeros alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and here is the b is minus 2, so minus 2 by a is 2 by 1, that is the 2, and alpha into beta, that is the c by a, and here the c is what, minus 8 by 1, so minus 8. Okay, so we need this alpha plus beta, means alpha plus beta is what, alpha plus beta is 2 and alpha into beta is minus 8. Okay, we will use these things to find two another sums. Okay, here is the value of alpha plus beta equals to 2 into and alpha into beta equals to minus 8. So first, that is the we need to find alpha minus beta square. Okay, first we need to find here alpha minus beta first. So we can use this formula. Suppose alpha minus beta square equals to alpha minus beta square equals to, you can write here alpha plus beta square, this is the formula, and minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, minus 4 alpha beta. So the value of alpha plus beta is what, 2, the square of 2, and the minus 4 into alpha beta means 4 into minus 8, so 2 into 2 4 plus 8 4 is the 32, so here is the 36, and alpha minus beta is root under 36, so This is the plus minus 6. Okay, so next students, we can move to solve 2. Question number 2, you can observe, I think, alpha square plus beta square. Okay, so we need to find in question number 2 alpha square plus beta square. So please tell the formula of alpha square, a square plus b square. Okay, so we can write here a square plus b square equals to, this is the formula. So we can write here a plus b ka whole square minus 2ab. This is the formula. Yes, and if we put here alpha square plus beta square, then alpha plus beta square minus 2 into alpha into beta. You can check the value of alpha plus beta, I think 2 square, and of alpha into beta, that is the minus 8. So we can write here 2 into minus 8. So 2 square, that is the 4, and 8 2 is the 16. So that is the 20. So we can write here alpha square plus beta square, that is the 20. Okay, next we will have to solve question 3rd, that is the alpha to the power 4, alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. Okay, we need to find it. So we have alpha square plus beta square. You can see here is alpha square plus beta square equals to 20. Squaring both sides, we can write here squaring both sides, squaring both sides, it will become what? Alpha square plus beta square is whole to the power 2, and here is the square of 20. So we can write here a plus b ka whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, like this way, and 20, that is the 400. So we can write here alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, and the value of alpha into beta, you can see minus 8. So minus 8 square equals to 400. So alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4, that is the 400 minus 8 is 64. 64 twos are, so 64 twos are, we can write 128, and the 400 minus 128, so we can write here 2, and here is 9, 9 7 and 3 1 2, 2 7 2 8 10 7 2, yes, 272. This is the value of alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4 equals to 272. Okay, so we will move next. Yes, we will move question number 4. Question number 4. So student, question number 4 is alpha beta square. We need to find alpha beta square plus alpha square beta. Okay, you should take the common. Okay, you can see alpha beta is the common, so you can write here alpha beta, and here is the beta, here is the alpha, so we can write here alpha plus beta. So the value of alpha beta, that is the 2, sorry, minus 8, and here 2, the 2 into minus 8, that is the minus 16. That is the answer of 4th. Next, 5th we need to find 5th. In question 5th, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. You should take the LCM alpha beta, so it will become alpha plus beta. You can put the value of alpha plus beta, that is the 2, and here is the minus 8, so we can write here minus 1 by 4. So this is the answer of 5th, and this 6. So 6 is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus alpha beta. Okay, so you can see we have already the value of 1 by alpha by plus 1 by beta, that is the minus 1 by 4. So we can write here minus 1 by 4 Here we can write here minus 1 by 4 in alpha beta, that is the what? Minus 8. So plus 8. So 8 4 is the 32, 32 minus 1, that is the 31 by 4. Okay, 31 by 4. Next we need to find if 4 5 6 and next 7 we need to find here 1 by alpha minus 1 by beta, that is the 7. 1 by alpha by 1 by beta. Yes, this is need to find here. Okay, so here we can take LCM. So LCM is alpha beta. So here is the beta and here is the alpha. So you should take the minus common. So alpha minus beta, and please put the value of alpha minus beta. I think you have the value of alpha minus beta, that is the 6, and here is 6 by and minus 8. Okay, minus 8. So minus minus will be cancelled, and here is 3 by 4, that is the answer. Next we can solve question next, that is we can solve the question 8. Okay, question number 8, that is the alpha cube plus beta cube. Okay, we need to find here alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus, sorry, here is alpha cube plus beta cube. You can use the formula a cube plus b cube. Okay, so we can write here alpha plus beta into alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square minus alpha into beta. So the value of alpha plus beta, that is the 2, and the value of alpha square plus beta square, that is the 20, and the value of alpha beta, that is the minus 8. So we can write here plus 8. Okay, plus 8. So we will 20 minus 8, yes, and here is the 28. So 2 into 28, that is the 56. Okay, so next, that is the 56, and question number next. Okay, this is the value of 8 number question, that is the alpha plus beta, alpha cube plus beta cube. Question number 9 we need to find here. Question number 9 we need to find here alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. Okay, you should take the LCM, that is the alpha beta, and here is the alpha square plus beta square. The value of alpha square plus beta square, that is the 20 by minus 8. So answer is minus 5 by 2. Okay, so again we need to find question number 10. We need to find what? Alpha square by beta, alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha, you should take the LCM. Okay, so if you will take the LCM, so this it will become alpha cube plus beta cube, and the value of alpha cube plus beta cube, that is the 56 by the value of alpha cube by beta cube, that is the 56 alpha into beta, that is the value of minus 8. So we can write here minus 7. And next, that is the 11 number. We need to find in a question number 11, that is the large. So we will have to rub the board. Okay, so question number 11, that is the 1 by alpha, yes, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha into twice the 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. Okay, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 3 alpha beta. So okay, you can put the value, and this is the value of this, that is the minus 5 by 2, and the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, that is a 2 into minus 1 by 4, that is the 2 into minus 1 by 4 plus 3 into minus 8. Okay, 3 into minus 8. If you will calculate 8, so here is the minus 5 by 2 and here is the minus 1 by 2, here is the 24, so it will become minus 27. Okay, so question number 12, that we need to find alpha to the power 4 beta cube plus alpha cube beta 4. Okay, so here we will take the common at alpha cube beta cube, and here it will become, here is alpha beta, you can put the value, here is the minus 8 cube and the value of alpha into beta, that is at 2, so we can write here minus 512 into 2, that is minus 1024. Okay, so in question number 13, that is only two question is left in this question, that is the 13 and 14. Okay, so here is the 13 is what, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta minus 2 into alpha into beta, so the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, that is the minus 1 by 4. Okay, you can see minus 2 into minus 8, so we will solve it and we will get here 63 by 4. Okay, and that is the last question. Okay, so that is the last question, that is the alpha square beta square plus beta square alpha square. You can take the LCM. If you will take the LCM, it will become here what, alpha square beta square, here is the alpha to the power 4 plus beta to the power 4. So you can put the value here 272 and minus 8 square. So here is the 272 into 8 into 8. So it will become 17 by 4. That is the answer of these questions. Okay, so I will give some questions regarding this topic. You will have to solve these questions. Okay. I will give some questions regarding this topic. You will have to, it will homework. So question that is yes, question is some questions. Question 1, that is the x square minus 5x plus 4. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 4, x square minus 5x plus 4. You will have to solve the question like this way. Next is 5x square minus 7y, 5x square minus 7x plus 1. Okay, here an x square minus x square minus x minus 4, and next is x square 4x square minus 5x minus 1, 4x square minus 5x minus 1, and fifth is ax square, fifth is x square minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 3, and 6 is ax square plus bx plus c. Yes, ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, and next is 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Question number 7, 3x square minus 6x plus 4, 6x plus 4, 6x plus 4. Yes, and that is the last question. All questions are from R.D. Sharma. Okay, so you must solve all of the question. 3x square minus 6x plus 4. Okay student, thank you, all the best.